Money has a different name. In marriage, dowry; in temple, donation; in school, fee; in divorce, alimony; in court, fines; to kidnappers, ransom; to children, allowance; borrow from bank, loan; employee to workers, salary; paying government, tax.